Janet, big sister in the diaspora, located in Dubai, Al Baraha, Greenland Hypermarket, first floor, office 111. Yes, we are here in the JEX Institute for specialty baristas and roasters, training vocational courses that are coffee-based. I have a message for expatriates like myself, people from Asia, from Africa, from the Arab world, people that are here to improve their financial life. We've managed to live in this planet of the UAE maybe for 10 or so years. That means we are blessed with families, right? We have children, boy children, girl children, children that have now grown and are transitioning to the adult age. 15 and above are your children in your house today. These are the ones I'm talking about. My brother, my sister, the expatriate today, here in the UAE, have you thought about improving them? Yes, in the elementary school or kind of education, but also vocational wise to enable them be introduced into the financial world. If not, I have a message for you. JEX Institute has opened her doors and she's welcoming children, teens, youths to come and do these courses. They can do the specialty barista course, learn how to brew coffee professionally, or do the pastry course where they do the pancakes, the croissants, the waffles with their own hands. These courses are very good for them to have. They're practical courses that improve their minds, their thinking, their creativity. But also remember, in the due time, when they need to employ these skills somewhere, they'll be able to earn a living. Expatriates, 50 years and above, there is a time when you're going to exit this place and go back to your country. Have you thought about your children? Would you wish to have your children go with you and just dump them into that house that you built? Or you want them to remain in this environment where you've enjoyed your youthful age so they can as well enjoy their youthful age? It's up to you to think about it. It's the big sister for you. Remember, we're in Dubai, Greenland Hypermarket, first floor, office 111, Al Baraha, and the courses are friendly. The fees are friendly. They can be paid in installment. They can be paid in whichever way you can afford. We are welcoming the teens. Please bring your children to us. Let's help our children transition to the financial world easily. Would love to see them progress in life like we did. It's the JEX Institute for you. I remain big sister and I'm waiting to see your children flocking here at JEX Institute. Thank you.